Hello everyone, today I'm making cheesy crispy potato balls. Don't you think they look wonderful? And you look at this, so cheesy, stringy. This is from mozzarella cheese. And I invite you to the kitchen with me. I show you how to make. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my videos, and subscribe. Thank you. So I have 500 grams of potato. I have a roasted potato here, but if you have Yukon, go ahead. Just white potato. So the trick is that I make incision around the potato and I add it to the pot with water so they submerge and I cook them 20-25 minutes until they're done. When they're done, I remove from the water, and because I made the incisions, it's so easy to peel. So you don't need to peel first in advance, and it's difficult. Now you will find easy to peel. You see, just take it out and you can twist them off. It's very hot right now, so it's a little difficult for me to demonstrate what I say, but you can just touch both ends, squeeze, and they come off. Or you just, take half and peel with your hands, or you can use the help of a knife like I do right now, and you can peel easily. And the potato is very flaky right now. They are ready for mashing up. See, continue peeling until you're done. You can let it cool a little bit, but I am in a hurry to show you that why I did when they are still hot. Now just smash them, but they won't be the fine mash. So after I mash, I will use the sieve to pass it through so that I have a perfect smooth mash. Okay, you see now, I pass it through the sieve, and you do this in very easy. You see, when you pass through the sieve, they become fine mash. This is the thing I'm making today. Is a snack, and children love it, and the adults love it because you can eat a few of them and make it a meal. So right now I added salt and pepper to flavor it, and I add 60 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of cornstarch to make it a base. And after mixing on of them, I will add 2 tablespoons of oil to make it lubricant, so that the bones will be more flavor that way. So you just knead in until it's making a ball, and then you will make the smaller balls, the final products for eating. You see, when I'm continue knitting like this, it's become a ball. You do that until no loose much remaining. If it's too dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of cream or milk. But I think that I'm keep this way. I don't need more liquid because it's become a dough right now in my hands. So when you started, you can do like this until you don't see any crumbs left. Now this is the time I add oil. If you want more flavor, you can add butter. In my case, I just use oil. And continue kneading until you have a very cohesive, flexible ball. Okay, now I am ready to make balls. You can keep it aside right now and go chop the cheese. So I use a block of mozzarella cheese, and I will cut into cubes. You can make big cubes or small cubes. It depends on your preference. But whenever you do, try to enclose the cheese well inside the dough, because if you don't, the cheese will leak out during the period of frying. You will see what I mean later. I will show you. So with my with the amount of dough that I have right now, I will make 20 of them, and each one will weigh 10 grams. See, first I make a round, and then I press it down and put cheese in and enclose. Remember, I told you that you need to enclose them very well to make sure that the cheese won't leak out. just like this. And continue doing this until you're done. And now I tell you this, and you will like it, because after you done the making the buns, you can keep in the fridge for a day or two. This buns that I made, and I didn't have time to finish them, so I left in the fridge for 3 days. But when you take out ready to frying, you need to dredge them in flour and in panko breadcrumbs to get it crispier crust. So right now I use 30 grams of on-purpose flour and 30 grams of cornstarch. And for the first flour, dredging flour, I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. And I also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I want the color a little golden when I'm done and look nice and appetizing that way. So I mix on up and this ready, and you can see this is 3 days staying in the fridge. So my bones a little wet at the bottom, so you don't keep their them in there longer than 3 days. It might risk your shape, the shape of the bones. So the second thing that I already did, 1 egg plus 20 grams of water to make an egg wash. So after the bones and the flour dredge, they come here, and after that they go into panko breadcrumb. So this is a little breadcrumb and a little tempura mix. You can go 30 grams again, or you can do more, because the flour and the breadcrumb, if left something left over, you can do that with other things, like you can do with shrimps, you can do with chicken, or anything you want to make crispy things. Now remember, I use the spoon when I dip my bones into the egg wash, so that it don't wet my hands. Right now I use the glove so that it don't stick into my hands. Then you done. You see, they are ready for the fryer now. So I pour the oil into the pot. I use small pots here because I don't want to have a lot of oil after frying. So I use small amount of oil, and I heat it until they are bubble up. That means the oil is hot enough, not too hot and not too cold. And then now you can fry them. And you see, when it not carefully enclosed, it lick the cheese lick out like this. But I have only one defect. Now when they are all golden in fryer, you can take out and drop on the paper, and that's it. Ta-da! You have crispy, cheesy buns that you give to the children. They will love you to that, and you can invite your friends for a snack, or you can eat a few for a meal, at least for me. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please tell me what you think, and I see you soon. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.